This program is the first in a series of 4 programs about the maintenance of the UCG and UCL on-load tap changers and the BUE motor drive mechanism. This program deals with the inspection and overhaul of the on-load tap changer. As the entire program deals with on-load tap changers, this expression is shortened to only tap changer throughout the remainder of this program. Let's begin by giving a brief description of a tap changer. The function of a tap changer in a transformer is to switch a winding turn in or out in the regulating winding in order to achieve the desired voltage. The tap changer basically consists of a diverter switch and a tap selector. The diverter switch is spring-guided and is placed in a housing where the oil is separated from the oil in the transformer. The diverter switch's main components are the fixed main contacts, the movable main contacts, the fixed transition contacts, the movable transition contacts, the transition resistor, and the spring-driven polygon link system. During operation, the diverter switch contacts disconnect and connect the power. Therefore, it is necessary to check the contacts burn-off at even intervals and to inspect and clean the insulating parts. Furthermore, the oil must be filtered so that the dielectric strength is maintained. The contact life depends on the amount of the current and number of operations performed. In the motor drive mechanism, there is a counter that registers every operation that the tap changer carries out. The rating plate on the motor drive mechanism states the estimated contact life in number of operations at rate load of the transformer. The number of operations between overhaul is stated on the rating plate. The number of operations before the replacement of the contacts at full load varies between 150 to 500,000 for the UCG and 300,000 to 500,000 for the UCL, depending on the transformer current. The tap selector, equipped with sliding contacts, is placed under the diverter switch housing and usually in the same oil as the transformer. The selector switches connect currentlessly and do not require any periodical inspection. An inspection should be carried out after 1 million operations anyway. This is how a connection between 2 adjacent positions occurs, in this case position 6 and 5. Operating position 6, the selector contact V lies on tap 6 and the selector contact H on tap 7. The main contact X carries the load current. The selector contact H has moved in the non-current state from tap 7 to tap 5. The main contact X has opened. The load current passes through resistor RY and the resistor contact Y. The resistor contact U has closed. The load current is shared between RY and RU. The circulating current is limited by the resistance of RY and RU. The resistor contact Y has opened. The load current passes RU and contact U. The main contact V has closed. Resistor RU has been short-circuited and the load current passes through the main contact. The tap changer is now in position 5. After this brief introduction of the UCG and the UCL tap changers, we will describe how they are maintained. Maintenance of the tap changer alone consists of 3 major steps: inspection, overhaul, and contact replacement. Contact replacement for the UCG and UCL is shown in program 3 and 4. Inspection of the